Welcome to Beginner's Bazaar, Selling on Amazon, your compass in the dynamic world of Amazon selling. Today, we're unfolding the 2024 blueprint for finding trending products and unlocking supplier secrets. Understanding the Amazon marketplace is pivotal. It's a colossal platform offering unmatched opportunities for sellers worldwide. As we step into 2024, grasping the landscape of Amazon's marketplace is crucial. The platform has evolved, with new tools and algorithms shaping the way consumers find and purchase products. In 2024, the key to success on Amazon is not just about having a great product, but also understanding the intricacies of the platform and the market dynamics. Consumer preferences have shifted, and they're now looking for products that are not only high quality, but also sustainable and ethically sourced. Staying ahead means keeping a pulse on these evolving trends and preferences. The first step in your Amazon journey is identifying the right product. But how do you find a product that not only sells, but also stands out in the crowded marketplace? The answer lies in trend analysis and market research. Tools like Google Trends, Amazon's own bestsellers list, and other market research platforms provide invaluable insights into what consumers are looking for. Dive deep into this data, and you'll start noticing patterns and product niches that have high demand but low competition. The sweet spots for any new seller. Once you've pinpointed a potential product, the next crucial step is finding the right supplier. This step can make or break your Amazon business. In 2024, the global supply chain has become more interconnected than ever, offering a myriad of supplier options. However, with more options come more challenges. It's not just about finding a supplier that can offer you the best price. You need a reliable partner who can consistently deliver high-quality products and adhere to ethical manufacturing and shipping practices. Negotiating with suppliers is an art. It requires a balance between assertiveness and understanding, ensuring that you get the best deal without compromising the quality or the working relationship. Building a strong, communicative, and transparent relationship with your supplier is essential. Remember, your supplier is a critical part of your business, and a strong partnership can lead to better product quality, smoother logistics, and even insights into new product opportunities. Launching your product on Amazon isn't the end of the journey. It's just the beginning. 2024's Amazon Marketplace is not just about selling, it's about creating a brand. Customers look for products that come with a story, a purpose. Branding and customer engagement have become paramount. Utilize Amazon's advertising tools, engage with your customers through reviews and Q&A, and always keep an eye on customer feedback to continuously improve your product and your listing. In conclusion, the Amazon Marketplace in 2024 is a land of opportunity for those who are prepared to take a strategic, informed approach. From understanding market trends to finding the right supplier, from negotiating deals to branding and customer engagement, each step is a learning opportunity. So take these insights, apply them to your unique journey, and watch as your Amazon store transforms from a beginner's bazaar into a thriving business. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit www.amzproductlauncher.com.au. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at Beginner's Bazaar, selling on Amazon.
Hey, if you're looking to sell on Amazon and you want me as your business partner, listen up. I'm willing to invest in your Amazon business. I'm willing to invest in your products. I'm willing to invest in your marketing. I'm willing to invest in you, in helping you scale your Amazon business. If you currently have an Amazon business and you're looking to generate more sales from your Amazon business, I would like to partner up with you and essentially become a business partner, helping you scale your business even more. Once you have your Amazon business up and running and you're looking to potentially sell your Amazon business and cash out 12 months, maybe 24 months down the line, I'll even help you sell your Amazon business. I'm looking for new deals all the time. I'm looking for new business partners all the time. So if you are looking for a business partner in your Amazon business who knows what they're doing, who has the experience, their expertise, and the team behind them to help you scale your business and generate more sales, then look no further. I would love to partner with you. Speak to one of our team members today to get something started. I've helped countless students get started from scratch. I've helped them find their products, find their niches, find reputable suppliers, find the best products, negotiate the best deals. And I'd like to help you with scaling your Amazon business. We've helped countless people around the globe to build their Amazon business essentially from scratch, regardless of their age, experience, income, and even technical experience. So if you are looking to sell on Amazon and you're looking for a business partner who has a great team behind them to help them find new products, scale, source new products, new suppliers, and scale up their brand, speak to one of our team members today, have a chat with them, and I would love to work with you personally, one-on-one, to help you scale and grow your Amazon business even more. All right, take care, speak to our team today, and let's get this started.